Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson mensuration. Now coming to worksheet 1, find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 33 centimeter and the distance between the two is 13 centimeter. So what are all given? The shape is a trapezium. The parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 33. So bigger side you take it as 57 centimeter. The smaller one 33 centimeter. The distance between them, that is height, is equal to 13 centimeter. Now write A is equal to 57 centimeter, B is equal to 33 centimeter and height is equal to 13 centimeter. Area is equal to how much? So area of trapezium. Hope you know the formula perfectly. Half into A plus B into height, that is half into A is 57 plus B is 33 into height is 13. So half into 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 plus 5 6, 7 8 9 into 13, 2 1s are 2 45s are 4s are 8, 1 remains, 5s are 13 45s are 13 45s are 13 5s are 65, 13 4s are 52 plus 6 58, 585 centimeter square or square centimeter. Answer: area of trapezium is 585 centimeter square. Simple one, isn't it? Directly put the value and find out. Now coming to the second sum, the area of a trapezium is given. Area is given 850 centimeter square. So you will write 850 square centimeter, that is area. Now two parallel sides, only one is given. Let it be A is equal to 64 centimeter. The distance between the parallel sides means H is equal to 17 centimeter. Find the other parallel side. So what are all given? First is area is equal to 850 square centimeter. Now A is equal to 64 centimeter. Distance, that is H, is equal to 17 centimeter. So B is equal to how much? So area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. So area is given 850, half into A is 64, B you don't know, into 17. So 2 and 17 you can't cancel. So take this to the other side. So 850, 2 will be in the numerator, 17 goes to the denominator, isn't it? This side it is in the numerator, it goes to the denominator. Now what is remaining? 64 plus B. 17 1s are 17 5s are 85 and 0. 52s are 100 is equal to 64 plus B. Therefore B is equal to 100 minus 64. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. B is equal to 36 centimeter. Answer. Length of the other parallel side is equal to 36 centimeter. Remember, area centimeter square, but side centimeter. Okay. So hope you are confident of these two. Directly area, here one of the parallel sides. Now coming to the third sum. It is area of the trapezium is given. Area of the trapezium is 1586 centimeter square. Sum of the parallel sides is given. A is equal to 1586 centimeter square. Now individually A and B are not given. What they have given? Area is equal to 1586 centimeter square. The sum of the parallel sides means A plus B directly they have given as 122 centimeter. They have to find out the distance between the two parallel sides. Distance means height. Now, area of a trapezium, formula is what? Half into A plus B into height. Area is 1586 is equal to half into A plus B. Directly it is there into height. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Now 1586 is equal to 61 into height. So height is equal to H is equal to 1586 upon 61. Now 61, it is a bigger number directly. You can divide and see. 1586, 3 digits you have to take. So it will be 6 2s are 12. So 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 8 minus 2 6. 5 minus 2 3. Bring this 6 down. 366. 6 6 are 36. So 6 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Yes. So that means it is a answer is 26 centimeter. Calculation, you have to be careful, that's all. Answer, the distance between the two parallel sides is 26 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to the fourth question. So in all the sums, just see what are all given, you have to understand and write. Whether it is A, B, H or A plus B, isn't it? Now coming to the fourth one. If the area of the trapezium is 28 meters square, 28 meters square, and the two parallel sides are 8 meter and 60 dm. This is 8 meter and this is 60 dm. Find the altitude. Now, the dm means decimeter. So it is not in meter, it is decimeter. So area, first write the solution. The shape is trapezium. Now area is 28 meters square and A is equal to 8 meter, but B is equal to 60 dm. Now 60 dm. What is the relation between the different units? First you understand the smallest is in the length. The units are, the smallest is millimeter, next is centimeter, next is decimeter, that is dm, then meter, then decameter, DAM, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. And the difference, it is you have to multiply by 10 at each step. You know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. Conversion of a bigger unit to the smaller, you are multiplying. This you have learnt in the lower classes. बड़ा यूनिट को छोटे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, छोटे को बड़े में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, ये आपको मालूम है. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now the other one you remember, it is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Why? 10 into 10, 100, isn't it? So here it is a jump. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 10, here 10, 10, 10. 10, 100, 1000. That's why it is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So at each step you have to multiply by 10. So बड़े यूनिट से छोटे के लिए मल्टीप्लाई, लेकिन छोटे से बड़े के लिए डिवाइड. अभी डेसीमीटर दिया है डीएम, उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने का. डेसीमीटर इज स्मॉलर यूनिट, मीटर इज अ बिगर यूनिट. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? डिवाइड. सो 60 डिवाइड बाय 10 is equal to 6 meter. Because it is in meter square, this is in meter, this also should be in a meter. So you have to convert decimeter to meter. Now you understood how you have to convert. Now it is the same. H is equal to how much? Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. Area is 28, half into A is 8, B is 6, height we have to find out. So 28 is equal to half into 8 plus 6, 10, 14 into height. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So 7 into H, इसके लिए 28 by 7 is equal to H. Therefore H is equal to 7 ones are, 7 fours are, 4 meter. So answer, the altitude, the height, altitude का मतलब meaning same है. Altitude is 4 meter. The unit you have to be careful. Okay. So if it is in meter, meter. If it is given in dm, convert to meter because area is in meter square. So we have completed 4 sums of worksheet 1. Hope all students are confident with these sums. Bye. Thank you. All the best.